yeah, you just brought up like actually treating it like a business model. I mean, you're passionate about this thing. It's entertainment, but I mean, it does really need to be treated like a business to sustain itself so that you could pay your bills and make money doing it. It's your career. What are all of the aspects of monetization? How does one make money as a content creator? What are the avenues for profit?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'm happy to go into detail. I'll first say that my first year of doing Twitch and YouTube, there was very little return, especially for the amount of time I invested. It was purely driven by passion. And it takes a lot of time as a content creator to get to a point where you're making any money at all. Yeah, so I can kind of go through between Twitch and YouTube and what kind of the earlier revenue streams were for me. It was more so on Twitch in the beginning, because once I became a Twitch affiliate, after a few weeks of streaming, to become a Twitch affiliate, it's super easy. You just need to average 3 viewers and do 5 or 7 streams in a month, and then they'll give you affiliate status. And that allowed me to have subscribers, which are viewers that pay to basically support your content every month. A subscriber on Twitch is someone who pays $5, and unfortunately, Twitch keeps half of it. So for every sub, I was getting $2.50. Yeah, in the beginning, I maybe got a few dozen subscribers in a month. So it was nice, pocket change or whatever. Since then, I have a slightly better split on Twitch. It's a 70-30 split, because Twitch gives better splits to larger creators. But then the other form of revenue on Twitch is just donations and viewer supports. And those come in the form of bits, which are Twitch's built-in currency. They also kind of take a cut of what people pay to purchase the bits, but a decent amount of revenue has come in from very generous viewers over the years. And probably after 6 months to a year of streaming, there were a handful of viewers being very, very generous, giving hundreds of dollars every month, just to support what I was doing. And then another, I guess, revenue stream in the beginning was the fact that I was getting more private students. Private coaching was my main source of income, my main job after graduating. Streaming kind of became a funnel to just get new students and put myself out there as a chess coach. But after a couple of years of streaming on Twitch, I just stopped taking students. I was getting so many requests daily, and I put together a waiting list that had over 500 people signed up. It was just overwhelming to try and get back to everyone who wanted private lessons. So maybe I could have probably been a bit more wise from a business perspective, do private coaching or do more courses to monetize a bit better. But again, I was just more focused on what I enjoyed doing, and it was just doing the live streaming. And then eventually with YouTube, it was a bit slower of a process on Twitch, but once I hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I think it's the same these days, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that I can monetize the YouTube channel for ad revenue. Yeah, unlike Twitch, I don't take paid subscribers on YouTube. It's a little bit confusing for someone who's new to the ecosystem, but subscriber on YouTube, it's just free. So more like a follower on Twitch. The ad revenue on YouTube was much less in the beginning compared to what I got on Twitch, but then over time, it became the largest revenue source. Just because YouTube has such a good monetization system with ads, and they have a better split compared to Twitch, at least with ad revenue, is it's a 55-45 split, something along those lines. And I can say the general, I don't know if you're familiar with CPM on YouTube. It's basically what advertisers pay per 1,000 views. Yeah, with YouTube, on average, I'll get probably $3 to $7, maybe $3 to $6 for every 1,000 views. And after a few years of doing YouTube, if I'm getting a few million views per month, that can definitely add up. Yeah, for a while it was mainly Twitch and YouTube, between subs, donations, ad review, and then all these other kind of things too that I've gotten into more recently. I launched merch, so actually selling physical products, shirts, hoodies, hats, mugs, and I work with a third-party company that actually reached out, and they've been great. It's a company called Fourth Wall. And yeah, they take care of all the logistics and shipping, and doing more brand deals too. There's a lot of brands that reach out that want to advertise on my channel, and I'm super selective with who I work with. But I've done recent deals with like Audible and Skillshare and like HelloFresh, Morning Brew. So there's been a handful of companies that I'm happy to promote, and they pay pretty well for that too. So it is nice to kind of diversify the revenue stream, so not all my eggs are in one basket.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you want to see the full conversation, go ahead and click here, and feel free to subscribe. It really helps the channel out, and it really helps me sleep at night. So